Hello DBS. So next question is, how do you use functions in Postgres? So Windows functions to monitor or managing that Postgres server. Windows functions Postgres allow you to perform calculation across a set of rows called windows. They provide a flexible way to analyze and aggregate data within a query result set while preserving individual row details. To use Windows function, you need to specify window definition within a over clause of the function. The window definitions defines a partitioning, ordering, and framing the row that window function operates on. Here is an example to calculating the average salary of each department using along with rank of the employee based their salary. So select department name, employee name, salary, average salary over partitioned by department as average department salary, rank over order by salary descending as a salary rank from that employee table. So these are three functions here used, that is rank. Okay, this is yeah, rank is used here. Okay, and average function is the different one. Average is also Windows function. Okay, so example, average is a window function calculating average salary each of department within the rank window function, assigning the rank each employee based on their salary order by descending order.